What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So let's talk Shiba Inu in this video. This should be a short video. Hopefully I don't rant too much, but I've been getting responses lately telling me a bunch of things. As I look through different data here, we look through the comments. What we're going to see here is that some people are like, hey, you know what? This is not possible. We can't see this get to a dollar. We can't see this get to a penny. You know, it's $550 or $550 trillion market cap. We understand that, but there's obviously different points to it. Is it going to happen anytime soon? No, it's not going to happen anytime soon. Then we just have a bunch of scam stuff that's actually going on. But people saying that it's not possible, stupid headline. The thing that they're missing is they're missing a ton of things when you do go through a lot of this stuff. There's a ton of spam on here, and I can't get it away. I I basically take out a lot of key words there. So WhatsApp, and they end up doing WhatsApp without an extra P. Then they end up doing Matthew Perry with, like, you see, like, it's ridiculous. I can't get away from it. YouTube needs to stop this. I don't know how, but they need to stop this. If they see the same comment happening multiple times, they need to question it and they need to flag it. That should be flagged as spam, the same name multiple times throughout, besides mine, besides the creator. Anyways, we're here to talk about Shiba Inu. And I'm just getting a bunch of things back and forth, basically telling me, hey, this is not going to happen. We're not going to see this get to a higher level because it would be a crazy market cap, or, it's just impossible and Shiba Inu's dead and all of that stuff. Well, you have to understand that crypto coins, or even investments in general, may take a while to end up gaining the amount of popularity that Shiba Inu has. And to be able to grow to levels that Shiba Inu is actually at is a pretty substantial feat. So it's great to be able to get to this point. Is it dead? No, it's not dead. Is it completely over? Can it catch up to where Dogecoin actually got to of 100 billion? Yes, it can. Can it surpass that level? I don't know about that. I'm not going to say that it can pass that level, because that's not something that I believe is in the cards right now, because nothing really holds that level of 100 billion. But we can see it get to a level to where it stays at this market cap but decreases the amount of supply, which means that in order to get to that market cap, you need to have price multiplied by supply. So in order to stay at that market cap, the price needs to rise up if the supply is going down. Does that make sense? So let's talk about this a little bit. Just break some things down. It should be a quick video. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. First link would be really, really good, which is theprofitsapparel.com. Definitely check that out. We have some great shirts and hoodies and joggers, and even women's hoodies, which Erica loves. You just have to wash it when you first get it because it smells like glue or something. Because I guess they paste it on with that, but it does smell. And then you can wash it, and you have a fresh t-shirt, very clean. Definitely check it out. But yeah, let's take some time to look at Shiba Inu. First, I wanted to call out that when I typed in Shiba today 3 times, Shiba Inu came up. So someone must have been watching my video on Coinbase, from Coinbase, right? Let's see if it actually works for Doge. Let's see if I type in Doge, if Doge comes up. Oh, see, someone must have been watching my video. I'll tell you that. I told you it was a problem. I told you it was a problem that Doge came up. It was like 30th on the list, even though you typed in Doge, something that you need to basically look at as things that you buy. Maybe it's because I started. That might be the case. Maybe if I unstart, maybe if I do that and I search it again. So I'm going to search for Shiba Inu, and we're going to search for Shiba. Well, that's not starred, so it does come up. Someone must have been watching my video. I'm hype about that. Coinbase, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Like and subscribe, and definitely buy my merch. Yes. Anyways, what we're talking about here today is just Shiba Inu in general, right? I create these crypto spreadsheets to break down why it's possible to see this move. Now, again, with crypto, there's so many variables that you can't sit here and say that this is definitely going to happen, because it could be something that doesn't happen, right away, and it doesn't look like it's going to happen in the near future. Again, my Shiba Inu plan is built out from 5 to 10 years, which could pull back, or pull back for a little bit, to maybe 3 years if we see something happen in 2022. If we see a massive burn rate happen in 2022 to where it's more than 50% or whatever, we get down to a comfortable level. then yeah, I can definitely see this get to a certain level, but I also want to see them implement or introduce the last bit of the supply so that we have no more dilution and all we have is price gain, if that makes sense. So the reason why I think that this is possible, again, something of a 50% burn. If people burn off 50% per year, we can see this get to 575 billion, by year 10, which would be great. That 5 cents, that would be at what the current market cap or the mid-tier market cap was for Shiba Inu, around that $30 billion mark, which is great. Seeing it at that level, 5 cents would be great for a lot of people. If you're holding it at that level and you have millions of coins, you're basically going to be able to gain a lot. Now, I know a bunch of people will sell probably to that point, but that's neither here nor there. Then you also have burn lists. You have playlists that may be burning off SHIB, which is at a very, very low rate. You have, concerts that may be burning off SHIB, which is at a very, very low rate. But you also have the SHIB army that's looking to burn off a bunch, which kind of would be wasting your coins. I would wait for a system level burn. If we decrease the popularity by not talking about it, then you see the ability to buy more and more with your $10, which does essentially increase the price if you're decreasing that supply. So, all in all, it's a good idea to understand that this can possibly happen, to be positive in these situations that it can happen. But also understand that mindsets come into play as well, just like they would with AMC or GME or whatever. Mindsets come into this as well. At what point will people start to sell some of their position because they have $100,000 in Shiba, or they have $200,000 or $500,000 in Shiba? You have to understand that. At what point? Would it be 1 cent? Would people sell at 0.001? Would people sell at 0.0001? Where would they pull out a lot of their position? Would they pull out most of it? Would they pull out all of it? There's a lot of variables that take place when it comes to SHIB, when it comes to investments in general. So again, that's the reason why I think that this could happen. So for you questioning whether this can get to a penny, whether this can get to $1, whether this can make substantial moves, you need to ask yourself, that question: do you see a burn rate coming? Well, Shiba themselves, or there's just information out there that have said there's going to be a burn in order to enter the metaverse in 2022. And if we're looking for a burn in 2022, what's the percentage that burn will be? It could be 10%, it could be 20%, it could be 50%, it could be even more than that. And then when we see something like that, that creates a ton of popularity, FOMO buying, which also will raise the price a heck of a lot to levels that we've never seen. So never say never. It can definitely happen. Anything could happen. So that's what I have for you guys today. I didn't want to make this a super long video because I'm really happy that somebody was watching my video to see that SHIB got to, is at the top of the list. And now you have all these copycats down here, which is great. But guys, make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Maybe, you know what? It's probably because I'm filtered on market cap. If you're filtered on the highest market cap, maybe that's why. That might be a possibility. If you're actually looking at it by name or whatever, then it filters by a different way. That's interesting. Or maybe you're filtered by change. So yeah, make sure you keep it filtered by market cap, and then you'll always get SHIB up there. They should do anything that's purchasable on Coinbase first, and everything else second. But that might be a point anyways. But make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of my links down below in the description, which I have my own store. So profitsapparel.com. Feel free to check it out and check out my, all of my different clothes, my clothing options and all that stuff. It's really, really cool. Also, if you guys want to subscribe to Patreon, feel free to do that as well. All of my Patreon members, I really appreciate you for being a member and supporting the community or supporting me as a creator. I have some really, really exciting news coming up in the next couple of months that I can't really talk about right now, but I do have some really exciting news. So if you guys, want to be a part of that, subscribe. But I'm going to get out of here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.